Откройте дверь в свой личный рай. Здесь каждая деталь создана для вашего комфорта. Victoria Beach – ваш новый дом на берегу.
Welcome to your perfect Mediterranean escape in Menton, where elegant interiors meet the vibrant colours of the French Riviera. Enjoy stunning sea views from your private balcony.
Your day in your own private Mediterranean oasis, where every moment is framed by the stunning French Riviera. Your dream holiday home in Menton awaits.
Welcome to your perfect Mediterranean escape in Menton, where timeless charm meets modern comfort. Bask in the golden light of the French Riviera.
In a place where every corner is bathed in golden sunlight, a perfect sanctuary designed for your peace and comfort. Your dream space is waiting.
Find in a sanctuary designed for pure tranquility, where modern comfort meets timeless Mediterranean charm. Your private escape awaits in Menton.
Heart of your home, find your daily sanctuary, where every detail is designed for your peace of mind. A space that feels like a warm hug waiting for you every day.
Произошло невероятное. Фантастические скульптуры из цитрусов. Это не просто фестиваль, это сказка. Фестиваль лимонов в Ментоне.
Ever felt the energy of a place at sunset, where the warmth of the sun meets the cool of the ocean, and every face is turned towards the light?
День заканчивается, и город переходит в романтический режим. Здесь каждая волна шепчет о покое.